Okay, we're up at Kevin's this morning, and we're going to take this little T100. I love that Royal We. He's going to take this little T100 out for a ride, and he just declared it a one kicker. You shouldn't do that on video.
Yeah, I have faith.
You have faith.
That's right.
Go ahead. How many kicks are going to take?
Yeah, just one.
Uh-huh. There you go. Sounding a little rough. It's got wide open pipes. Sounds better under power. We kicked the bike over. We pulled the clutch in and kicked the Kickstarter over about 5 or 6 times to break the clutch plates free. And we'll decide what to do with it when he gets back from this ride. It sounded a little rough on first gear during the pull away. That could be pilot jet adjustment, or maybe the bike just needs to wake up and come back to life. And we like to say these bikes will forget what they are when they sleep for a dozen years. You try to wake them up, and they got to remember that they're a motorcycle. They got to get up. It's silly to think that way, but I swear there's got to be a modicum of truth in it, just a little bit anyway. They need to remember what they are, and then they start having fun. And here comes the Beetle Bum. All right, so you're back from El Ride.
Yep.
And I heard hesitation and popping in low range.
Yep.
Down on the pilot jet. Now this guy is running. It's got stubbies on it. I thought it was straight pipes. That was another bike.
Yeah.
So it's got stubby mufflers, which is better than straight pipes. But still, I think we should do a little adjusting and cleaning on the pilot jet and see if it makes a difference. What do you tell me more about the ride?
Other than that, it's fine. You know, once it gets over, I don't know, 15, 20,000 RPM, somewhere in that range, she just takes off. She's great. Shifts very smoothly. Yeah, no problem at all. No,
Okay.
It's just that initial starting at lower RPMs.
So up to about 1,500 RPM. Yeah. All right, so let's put it on the lift and see if we can do a little cleaning and tuning on the pilot jet. Now, this is an older carb. It's not a...
No, this is a brand new one.
That's a new Premier?
No, this is the Wassel.
Oh,
This is
Lord,
the
this
new
is the
Wassel.
Wassel. Oh, darn.
Yeah.
See, if it was a Premier, we could change out to a larger or larger probably, a pilot jet. Oh, this...
No, it's the same thing.
It has...
It's
got the...
pilot jet out of this side.
Oh!
It's a complete copy of the Premier.
So if the Premier pilot jet will fit in the Wassel, we can actually even change it.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
It says it will, yes.
all right, so let's put it up on the lift and let me do a little adjusting and see if I can find a better sweet spot, and then we'll decide what to do.
Yep.
I did a little fiddling with the pilot air screw. Got it down to a pretty nice idle there, and it comes off nice. It sounds good. So we're going to do another test ride to see how it goes in low RPM range. Sounds better already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. And here comes Beetlebum. That's from an old comedy record. Well, that sounded a lot
That
better.
did the trick. Yeah.
Yeah, it sounded good.
Yeah, she's fine.
Okay.
She's fine now. You know, and everybody's got their own thing. This gentleman, as I said before, he bought this in 1970 when he got back from Nam. So he's capable of doing some adjustments and getting it where he wants
Yeah.
himself.
Yep.
I mean, it's safe to ride now. It can be made better, but that'll be up to the owner.
Okay. All right, it's a cute bike.
Yeah, it is. He's done a neat job with the sporty tank and the sporty seat. Yeah. And, you know, I'm sure there's some folks who don't like the Walsall carb, but, you know, I've checked and a lot of people have had good results from them, and I have no complaints here.
Okay.
The gentleman was willing to try it. He was on sort of a budget and said, well, let's try a less expensive to the Premier.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna let it go. I'll give the guy a call and say
Yep, come and get it.
he can come and get it.